I'm Saitech and welcome back to my channel Saitech. In today's video, I'll talk about what are the top 5 major changes which I'm expecting from the next update in the iQOO 7 device. As you can see friends, so right now I'm trying to use the iQOO 7 device, and just yesterday I did upload a video on the top 5 changes which has happened with the recent software update. As you can see, so still there are some of the issues which not yet fixed in this kind of update friends. That is what I will be focusing mainly in this video, highlighting all the points. So what do I feel which actually needs a lot of improvement in the iQOO 7 device? Yes friends, there is so much of improvement need to be done, particularly for this kind of fun touch UI. So these are the changes which can be very small, but definitely this will impact a lot of normal users perspective. That is what I'm trying to say in this video. So let's see friends, first thing which I'm expecting in the next update is adding the data usage on the status bar and the notification bar. Yes friends, so a lot of users, they are really struggling to get this kind of data usage and how much data you are utilized per day. There should be some kind of indication on the notification bar. That will be really good advantage for a lot of other users. So right now there's a temporary solution for that. If you just type in the YouTube, so data uses iQOO 7 Saitech Guru, you can get my video friends. So where I did find out some temporary solution where you need to install another application to make sure that, but we don't need any kind of third-party application, because we do need software which is present in the iQOO 7 to be doing that kind of small thing which is very small, but lot of users, they did message me personally. So make sure to comment below friends in case is your favorite one. So let's see whether with the next update whether we'll be expecting this kind of changes or not. And second most important thing for me is having the real-time FPS meter. Yes friends, we do need the real-time FPS meter ultimately, otherwise I will be really not satisfied while gaming, because a lot of other UIs, for example Realme or MIUI, they do have their own real-time FPS meter. So you should not depend upon the third-party FPS meter. Why we should? Because nowadays all the other UIs can do, why not the FunTouch UI? Yes, so that is what we need. Some kind of small addition somewhere around here, it would be really great option to have this kind of real-time FPS meter. So maybe the iQOO or the team, they should come up with the always on real-time FPS meter, not when you want to see it, but always it should be every time visible even while you're gaming. So something they should come up with that kind of idea. That would be really great addition to the smartphone. I'm not sure whether they'll be able to add this kind of feature or not, but let's see friends whether this is what I'm expecting in the next updates in this iQOO 7 device. As you can clearly see friends, where the Realme UI, they are doing pretty good job in terms of having the CPU, GPU and all the information which is completely around here. As you can see, so much of information you're getting. So that's a fantastic. Even the MIUI as well. So even the MIUI as well, we are getting the real-time FPS meter, as you can see. So which is also really good thing friends. In this way you'll be able to get to know what games are actually supported 120 fps, what are supported 60 fps, what games are supported 90 fps. So right now you can see friends, this is a game which I was able to play with the 120 fps. You can clearly see that. But if you want to know the same thing in the iQOO 7 device, you need to use the third-party FPS meter, which is really an headache, I would say. So that's another second thing which I really interested to see in this kind of iQOO 7 device. So in terms of having the FPS meter. So on the third part, something related to the vibration intensity. So yes friends, the iQOO 7 has got really strong vibrations, I can definitely agree on that, but there should be some kind of control how much vibration intensity you want. So same thing, even if other UIs also are doing the same kind of job as well. Let me need to take this couple of samples. So I'm just trying to compare friends, because we do need the improvement a lot in terms of the FunTouch UI. So in terms of utilizing like this, so let me need to show you. In the Realme UI, you do get this kind of vibration, as you can see, where you can select weak, medium and strong. Just these 3 options would be really completely fine in this iQOO 7 device, because some people they don't like this kind of strong haptic feedback. Some people, they like the strong haptic feedbacks, but it should be having the control in the user. Not by default, it should be the user's choice how much haptic feedback you want to select. That would be really great to have in this iQOO 7 smartphone. In some of the MI phones, they do have this kind of haptic level feedback, how much you can control. As you can see friends, you can control the intensity, how much you want. That's a really good idea friends, which the MI has implemented in their phones. So which we desperately need in this kind of iQOO 7 device in terms of having the vibration intensity control. In case if you have any other thoughts, any other ideas, or what other features should be added, so make sure to comment below friends. Definitely that will be pretty useful for the iQOO team as well to improve lot in the next couple of updates. And the fourth thing which I need in this iQOO 7 is having the sound preset values. Yes friends, right now if you go to the sound profile, there is no option to select what kind of sound preset you want when you're trying to listen in the loudspeaker. For example, let me to compare the same phone, same company from the iQOO Z3. As you can see friends, this is the iQOO Z3, so which has got some kind of profile. So let me just show you in the sound. If you try to go to the sound option, and if you try to scroll down, there's an option which is called super audio. Here you can actually select different preset values. As you can see friends, something this kind of preset values should be kind of implemented even in the iQOO 7 as well. So in terms of enhancing the slightly the sound effects, something like the cinematic and normal mode, something like that. So it would be really great addition if they implement that kind of sound presets where you're listening in the loudspeaker. And the fifth major change which we all are struggling, not all, only few users, regarding the green tint problem. Yes friends, hopefully the green tint problem should be kind of fixed maybe with the next update, but because this update it did not get fixed, I did a couple of videos on that particular thing as well, green tint after the update. So make sure to check those videos friends in case if you're interested. As you can see, these are the videos which are uploaded. Just type in the YouTube green tint SciTech Guru iQOO 7, you'll get all my videos. So these are 2 days back I uploaded friends on this topic after the software update, the green tint, which is not completely fixed. It's same as it is like before. So this is what I'm expecting. Maybe the green tint problem should be kind of fixed with the next software update. That is what I was guessing. So these are the top 4 I have selected only, like which physically we can actually see. The green tint problem can occur only in the few scenarios. So maybe when you're trying to use in the dark environment and low brightness mode, only then you will be able to see the green tint. But the top 4 problems which you can actually feel it, that is what I did list the green tint problem a little bit kind of back. And one more bonus change which I'm expecting. This is a kind of bonus thing which I'm expecting. The reason why I'm expecting, I'll try to mention you friends. So the option to have the 90 Hz refresh rate. So now we do get the 60 Hz and 120 Hz. There should be an option to have the 90 Hz. The reason why I'm saying 90 Hz because of I did see the iQOO Z3. So this iQOO Z3 friends. So I did see the iQOO Z3 has got 90 Hz refresh rate option as well. That's quite useful, I would say, definitely. In case if you don't want to have the 60 or 120, you can definitely have the 90 Hz. That's a really good advantage where you can experience really smooth, little bit kind of smooth, and save some battery. So maybe hopefully I was expecting the phone should be getting the 90 FPS option maybe in the next couple of updates. That is what I'm guessing friends. So that's it friends, thank you for watching this video. I'll try to come up with another video as well, maybe part 2, in terms of adding the more and more features what can be expected in the iQOO 7 device in the next couple of updates. So thank you for watching this video, and make sure to let me know in the comments below which features out of this 5, I think 6 features you are interested to see in the iQOO 7 device. My favorite thing is FPS meter. So having the FPS meter real time in this iQOO 7 is my favorite thing, because this phone is designed for the gamers. So what the gamers need, this will be the really bonus advantage. So that is what my expectations are. So make sure to comment friends, what is your favorite thing? Just comment what is your favorite, FPS meter or having haptic feedbacks, intensity decreasing, increasing features, or sound preset values, having 90 Hz refresh rate. So make sure to comment below what are you having the internet data usage on the notification panel. What is your favorite thing, what you're expecting? So thank you for watching this video friends, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned for more updates, and do check the links in description for the live wallpapers what I'm using in this video, which is really cool. Obviously, just type in the YouTube live wallpaper Waves SciTech Guru. You can download this wallpaper directly. Just type in the YouTube. So see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.